Today marks a special occasion as we celebrate our nation's 78th Independence Day. It's a day to reflect on the remarkable sacrifices made by those who fought for our freedom. At Webart Technology, we are proud to honor these brave individuals and the freedom they secured for us all.
78 years of independence. So, we still have around 22 years to make it a century. Hope we all, spend that next 22 years enjoying and celebrating this day same way we have been doing since the first day. Right, so let's all be proud to be Indians.
Our celebration includes music, dance, poetry, and a quiz competition, each designed to pay tribute to the legacy of our freedom fighters and the values they fought for. Our celebration kicked off with vibrant dance performance that captured the joy and energy of Independence Day. Our quiz competition added a fun and educational twist to the celebration. It was a chance for everyone to test their knowledge about our history and the remarkable individuals who made our independence possible. As the day went on, employees and guests mingled, enjoyed refreshment, and celebrated. The atmosphere was filled with joy and camaraderie, reflecting the true spirit of Independence Day. It was a time to appreciate our freedom, connect, and look forward to a future full of promise.